Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on multiple different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Cardano and picking up where we left off in the previous Cardano video. Now, what we're seeing Cardano do right now is we're seeing it do quite a bit of sideways trading. This was just after it had reached a new 52-week low back on November 9th, where it had reached a price that was around 31 cents. So Cardano had quickly come down from the FTX drama. It was making some moves to the upside just before that happened, and it had managed to reach the price that was very close to 44 cents. And this was just after Cardano's previous 52-week low that it had reached back in October, and at that time it was around the price of 33 cents. And then there was another 52-week low that was in before that, and that was in the month of June. So there's been multiple different 52-week lows that Cardano has reached, and they keep going down and down and down more and more. So, and looking at things right now, I still think that there is possibly one more leg down to expect, and that would be if we were to count everything that's going on right now as still being within the fourth and fifth waves. That fifth wave coming down, the downside would be able to take ADA down a little bit more. And I'm thinking that we might be able to see it go somewhere within the range of, say, 30 cents and 28 cents as a possibility. But before we really start throwing that out there, let's look at the Fibonacci retracement and look at how this is all playing out right now. So dropping in the Fibonacci retracement in, what we can see is that within this first wave, we've come really close to that 382 Fibonacci level. I mean, between the 236 and the 382 Fibonacci level, and then we went up within the wave 2. And then this wave 3 was, of course, it's the larger wave. It came down significantly. And then within the fourth wave, we've come up within about 50% of the entire move between the wave 1 and the wave 3. So I'm thinking that we still have this one more move down, even though we can possibly say that we've already completed 5 waves to the downside. I don't think that looks clean enough, and I think that, yeah, we have that one more move to the downside within a wave 5. So if we were to take our Fibonacci retracement tool and we were to line this up within the wave 4, then what we can see is that we could expect to see the price of ADA come down a little bit past that 50% Fibonacci level. Of course, the wave 4 was 50% of the entire move from this downfall that we had. And so I'm thinking that we could be seeing it go within the 618 Fibonacci level, and that would put it at that price that's a little bit under 30 cents. 29.7 is where it could be going. But of course, it could also be going down a little bit lower than that, possibly to the 786 Fibonacci level, somewhere within that range. And that's why I'm thinking that we could be seeing it somewhere between the price of 30 cents and 28 cents, just because I don't see it going all the way down too much lower than 28.5 cents. So that's where I'm currently at with Cardano right now. I'm thinking that this could be a real possibility. I'm really hoping for a price just a little bit under 30 cents. 29.7 would be a really good price in my opinion, but it all depends on how things are going to currently play out. Now let's take this on over to the daily chart here for a minute and look at where we're within range right now. So we can see that we're still a good distance below our 20-day moving average. We have a lot to really catch up to with Cardano, and that's what's really important about it. It's just seeing how there could be this possibility of going down one more time within the wave 5. If that is bottom, then we might be able to expect so much faster price movements to the upside. Hopefully, that would be how things could be playing out. But let's just look at this decline that we've had with Cardano since its all-time high back in September of 2021. As you can see, it has come down significantly. At that time, the price of Cardano was just a little bit above $3, and then we've just seen this sell-off that has really taken place, and more so since the second quarter of 2022. So once Cardano really lost that $1 price that it had support on, that's when we saw things just take an even larger turn to the worse, and Cardano go down and down and down. And that's getting us to where we're at currently with now this FTX drama that is creating even more volatility over in the crypto market. So at some point, I think that maybe we might be able to see some positive moves to the upside, hopefully soon. But still, I think that we need to first expect that there's still one more move to the downside. Always good to be a little bit bearish before you can be bullish. And that's just what I'm thinking. So anyways, I'd like to hear what you guys think. Where do you guys think the price of Cardano is going to be going here in the short term? Do you think that there's still one more move to the downside, or do you think that the bottom has already been in? I would like to know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you all in the next one coming very soon. Thank you for watching, listening.